Hello guys, today we'll see mainly the difference between meiosis and mitosis. So first of all, why do cells divide? For growth, repair and reproduction, we all know. So basically what's mitosis is the definition is giving here, just organisms grow by the addition of cells in multicellular organisms. We'll skip that. Yeah, I'll skip this one. When do cells divide? Most limiting factor in size is the size of the cell membrane. Cells must obtain nutrients. We all know this, right? So cell division versus nuclear division. So this part is this. These are some various terminologies like chromatids, sister chromatids, the anatomy of a chromosome. Yeah. So this is the cell cycle mainly, the mitosis M phase, the G1 phase, then the S phase and G2 phase, where the DNA replication occurs. Yeah. So what the interphase is, the interphase is also called the G1 phase. The cell just finished dividing, so in the gap one, the cell is recovering from mitosis. We all know. Yeah. So for interphase, the S or synthetic phase is also comes. DNA replication occurs. Then again comes G2 phase, where the preparation for mitosis, organelles are replicated and more growth occurs. Yeah. This is the various anatomy of the cell. So main mitosis begins after the G2 phase and before G1. Right. So this is the prophase, then metaphase, then anaphase, where this spindifier just pull apart. Yeah. And finally comes the telophase, where the cleavage occurs and two cells finally divide. Yeah. So now we'll see what meiosis is. A division of the nucleus that reduces chromosome by number by half, important in sexual reproduction. Mainly mitosis is asexual reproduction and meiosis is the sexual reproduction. Yes, it involves combining of genetic information for one parent with that of the other parent to produce a genetically distinct individual. So terminology, we all know diploid means two sets of chromosome, haploid means one set of chromosome, gametes or cells. Yeah, chromosome pairing. Homologous pairs, yes, we all know this. Just skip this part. Phases of meiosis. Yeah. So this is the various analogy of interphase, meiosis and meiosis 2. The daughter cell, mainly we get 4 haploid cells. Yes. So this is the meiosis 1, prophase 1. Here, the prophase 1, again anaphase and all, happens 2 times. So again meiosis 2 occurs. Prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, cytogenesis. Review of mitosis and meiosis. So both are forms of nuclear division. Mainly what now our main topic starts, like it's the review for mitosis and meiosis. Both are forms of nuclear division. Both involve replication. Both involve disappearance of the nucleus and the nuclear membrane. Both involve the formation of spindifier. These are the similarities between mitosis and meiosis. So mainly the differences. Yeah. Meiosis produces daughter cells that have half the number of chromosomes as the parent. Go from 2n to n. Daughter cells are produced by meiosis and are not genetically identical to one another. But in mitosis, they are exactly identical. In meiosis, cell division takes place twice, but replication occurs only once. So this is the value for variation and all. So again the differences. Yeah. So here the slide ends, but I've again, yeah, the main differences are like this: the mitosis and the meiosis. In mitosis, the prophase, duplicated chromosomes, and same in meiosis, it's formed by synapses of homologous chromosomes. Then in metaphase, here finally we see that the daughter cells of mitosis are 2, okay, and here the daughter cells of meiosis are 4. And here there is a haploid cells and here is a diploid cells. So this is the general view of meiosis versus mitosis we have seen today. Thanks for listening. Thank you.